bet you didn't know this.
You want to bet?
In 2018, 2019, over 36,000 people in the United States died from vehicle-related crashes. In 2020, over 38,000 died from vehicle-related crashes. And in 2021, we had nearly 43,000 people die in related vehicle crashes. I think we can do better, America. And you know why? That average is more than one entire 747 crashing every week in the United States. Insane.
Do you concur?
The president would definitely jump in if we had a 747 crash every week. Those numbers are from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. I've spent 16 months in Iraq in the Army. I spent over 6 years as a law enforcement officer and over 7 years as a driving instructor.
I have problems.
So I'm going to start a video series where we start breaking down crashes, so hopefully I can help you be a better driver. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your kids. So stick with me. We're going to go through and try to make you a better driver and have some fun during it. Godspeed, God bless.